How to turn off Discover on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you can see on the bottom of the screen, there are 5 different menus over here. So simply tap on this icon of Discover over here. Now when you want to turn off Discover, you do not have a direct access to turn off. You cannot completely turn off the Discover option. So simply tap or make a long press on the video over here that you want to turn off, and here you can see the option of hide over here. So just tap on it. Now if you want to turn off the whole profile, simply make a press on that channel and then tap on the profile and then tap on 3 dotted lines at the top right corner and then tap on hide this content option. Then tap on yes, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.